Hey guys, what's up? There's Dale out in the swamp out here, so we're gonna go try and catch some spring crappies today. All right, see you on the water. Got one. Oh, big boy. Oh, Chungus. Chungus crappie. Oh. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, big boy. Big boy. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Dang. Dang. Holy. He's huge. It's huge. Gosh. It's humongous. Oh. Look at this. Look at this! It's huge! Gosh, here, let's see how big he is. Oh. This guy's almost 15 inches. Close. 15 and a half, another 15, 14 and a half. Sorry, 14 and a half. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he's big. Just put him in with his pal right in here. Those two Chunguses, 14 and a half. Two big boys in there. All right, let's catch another one. Oh, there we go. Here, let's grab another minnow. Oh, he fell. Dang it, come on, stop flopping. All right. Oh gosh, these are huge. Oh, my mom just caught a little one right there. Well, he's not little, he's big.
Yeah, he's big. He's a big crappie and we're spoiled because we think it seems little.
Oh my, let's get another one, guys. My mom just caught a big one, but like, I don't know, not as big as the other ones. We think it's like small compared to the other ones. You'd see a 10 and a half inch crappie. We think it's so small. Hi, this is Sam from Junior Bassers, and we're spring crappie fishing. And this is what I like to use. I like to use a little jig head with a Mr. Twister on it. And I thought we'd show you what we've been catching with it. We've been catching these big fish with this. We've caught in like 10 of these size. It's like 14 and a half inches, and yeah. So, there might be a bit. Oh, my mom's just got a big one right here. Oh, Chungus.
Oh, Sam, you're getting one. Helping your mom with a monster.
There you go. That's my mom's big Chungus right there. Nice. But Dad just said I had one. Just trying to get a different lure ready.
Okay, Mama's is.
Yeah, my mom just got 12 and a half right there.
Holding your fish right now.
Oh, Dad's got a big one. Oh, my dad's got a... Oh, he's got one. Oh, big boy right here. Chungus. Chungus. Dude, how big is that? Like, actually.
Let's see.
Huge one.
Nice crap.
$14 inches?
13 and a half.
13 and a half. Oh, my dad's got a big one right now. Oh, there he is. Big boy right here. Another one. Another one. right here. Oh, there he is. There he is. How big is he? 13 and a half.
13.
13. I got one right here, guys. Oh. Guys, I got one right here. Oh, it's a big guy. I just put it back down there after I lost one. He's grabbing real quick. Oh. No! Right here! Oh! Stupid! Right here! Oh, gosh! Let's put it back down there and see if we can get it. Oh, right here! Went down to grab him. Just two big guys getting off.
Look at that. Look at how well it works. Are you recording?
Yeah. Dang. Oh, he's big and chunky.
Thanks, Mr. Twister.
Yeah. I think you may have squashed a minnow, Dad.
There you go.
Oh,
Little
that's chungus.
springtime crappie.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here.
Big as this guy. Another 13-incher. Right, there he goes. Down to the depths. Even though it's like 5 feet here. Dad just caught this one. It just bit off the surface. Right there. See how big he is. Let's see how.
12 and a half.
12 and a half. Yeah, I did the last night. Oh. Ooh, he's pretty big. Dang. These are huge. All of them. Is it like a black crappie or whatever?
Oh, dog.
Dang. Dang.
Just spit it
Grabbed
out,
him
too.
right away. Right at the tip.
Maybe that's
Look
my
at
guy.
that. Look at that crappie.
Dang.
Let's put him on the board and see how big he is.
Yeah, let's see how big this guy is.
Ooh.
Is that a black crappie?
Yep.
Oh, 14 and a
14
half.
and a half.
I think we should
Oh boy. This is a big one. Oh boy.
Oh gosh.
I heard it.
Yeah, did you see that thing?
Was it a crappie?
I don't know, I never saw it.
I don't know.
Never got up.
I don't know if that was. Well, it's small, so. Let this guy
Leave me
go.
alone.
Get fishing.
Let him go.
I'll fix it myself. Just gotta pull it out.
Oops. Oops.
Oh, where did that fish go? That was a huge fish.
What is going on here though? That
How deep are you? Oh gosh, I'm way too deep compared to you guys.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going in.
Maybe I'll catch one.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. Took the midnight train going in.
Is it big? Or did your drag just change? Oh, that guy's big. Oh, this guy's big. What is this? It is? You saw it? You just feel it? Oh, I saw a flash of him. What is this? Oh. That's northern. I thought it was
Walmart special pull. Make sure you get that on your Tom. Or Isaac, Sam.
Definitely know what it was.
Ooh, he's big. He's big. Ooh, he's pretty big. With this 8-pound test. Ooh. He saw me and bolted. 8-pound test Zedco rod. You want to grab it? Or do you want me to?
I'll get him.
Okay.
Maybe. Just gotta get
Oh,
him
he's
closer to
pretty
the boat.
big.
You want me to hold the pole?
Oh, there he goes.
Ooh.
Come back here.
Ooh. 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 Big boy. Chungus, look at those teeth.
Oh, he wrapped himself around.
Oh, how did that not break? The line's in there.
He's in his mouth.
Oh, how did that not
Oh.
break? 8
Wrapped
pounds.
around his lips.
Oh, look at those teeth. Oh, look at him.
Oh, Mr. Twister Tail.
Oh, Mr. Twister Tail.
Nice fish.
Nice one.
What we got here?
Whoops. How big is he? That's a thick northern. He's big. 30, no 20, 29 and a half. Stretching to 30.
29 and a half.
I can make
Let's
30.
put him back. Nice fish.
Nice one. Nice.
Thank you for the fight. Look at this side. That's a.
Oh,
He's
dang.
gonna be okay.
That's a big boy. That's a thick fish.